G'day! I've got an issue here with a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and it's Samsung Health, and for some reason the steps cannot be changed or unpaused. This is stuck. I'm not sure why, but I figured out one possible solution for it. If we go into settings, and then we go into settings, then apps, go up here, on here, special access, and scroll down to alarms and reminders, and look through here and just make sure that Samsung Health is enabled. I'll just change that. Go back, and go into Health. I may need to reload it. No, I don't even have to reload it. There we go. Now it's back to counting steps. I'm not sure how it particularly got turned off, but it's now back on. And from there, it should be usable once more. Hope that helps, and see you later. Bye.